Hey, hold up for a second before you scroll past another speaker comparison. R-51PM. This is for you if you're the kind of person who feels when audio is missing something, not just hears it. You notice when vocals feel distant, when bass feels weak, when your music just doesn't move you. And the first time you actually listen to this, you'll realize how long you've been tolerating decent instead of great. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Quality gear like this doesn't hang around at a good price forever, and hesitation is exactly what turns interest into regret. You remember the last time your old speakers just didn't cut it. Maybe movies felt flat on the couch. Maybe your playlist sounded thin. Maybe you found yourself turning the volume up and up, chasing something that never showed up. That's not picky, that's you noticing the difference between background noise and real sound. The moment you power this up, something clicks. Vocals sit forward and clear. Instruments have space and texture. Bass isn't just louder, it's controlled and musical. All of a sudden, tracks you've heard 100 times feel alive again. That's the difference between a speaker you listen to and a speaker you actually experience. Imagine tossing on your favorite album and hearing details you didn't know were there. Picture watching films where dialogue feels anchored and effects feel like they actually fill the room. Even casual stuff like podcasts or late-night playlists suddenly feel richer and more satisfying. That shift doesn't just impress you, it pulls you deeper into the moment. Don't assume pricing or availability will stay stable. Good Bluetooth-ready powered speakers that sound this composed tend to move fast, and waiting usually means missing out or paying more. You might wonder if powered speakers really make that big a difference. That doubt disappears the second you use these. The surprise isn't just louder sound, it's confidence in how everything sounds, clear highs, rich mids, and bass that doesn't boom uncontrollably but feels right. You stop chasing volume because you finally get quality. Owning this gives you a different kind of confidence. You sit down, press play, and feel like your setup finally reflects how seriously you take your sound, not just how loudly you play it. You stop adjusting EQ or fiddling with settings because it just delivers. You feel clarity that makes vocals pop. You feel depth that pulls you into music. You feel balance that stays composed. You feel satisfaction every time you press play. It's not the cheapest set you'll see. And it thrives with good source quality. Eventually you break out of the endless comparison mode. You stop asking which speaker is almost as good. You choose the one that already feels right, where quality isn't material you read on paper, but something you feel every time you listen. Check the price while it still feels smart. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay, only to look back wishing you'd acted when the chance was right.